Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this survival MOLLE pouch that comes with more than 140 items. And since this one is a MOLLE pouch, you can actually put it whatever you want. You can put it in your bag, you can just carry on the go if you want, if you're going like hiking, camping, fishing, or just want to put it in your car or give it to someone as a gift. You can also strap it to your backpack if you also want. And this thing is waterproof, so I think it's a cool thing. But I want to just open it with you guys and see what's inside to check those more than 140 items. Well, you can see that this is tiny but mighty. Take a look at everything you get over here. Let's start with this shovel over here. It's a foldable shovel. You can actually take this out and you can just make it to be super small and tiny just to fit inside here actually. But this one is a good one for like a trench or just like setting up your tent or something like that. So it could be a good one for that. A small flashlight over here. This really cool tool. I have to say that this one is a nice one. Of course, it comes with a tiny axe and also a hammer and everything inside here as well for in case that you need that for survival. And of course, this one right here, a pocket knife with so you can actually cut some line over here. So this is nice to have in with you with this clip over here. Some fire starters over here, emergency blanket, so many things. These things that I don't remember the name, to be seen at night. Some line for fishing. This is insane. Everything you have here is insane. And this right here comes with another first aid kit in case that something happens. Some more fire starters over there. But this one, the first aid kit, kind of like the first aid kit, it's a really nice one again for in case that anything happens. So more than 140 items, plenty of things to give as a gift or just like for hiking, camping, fishing, just kind of like keeping this one in your car for weather conditions could be also good. Lots of items, everything fits inside of this small pouch and you have everything you need for survival purposes. Like it, I give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. See you soon.